This is a sheet basically bank here. Yeah, automatically. We're like that.
I'll send it back around again. I know it's K2, it is Pico now, isn't it? You're very welcome. Enjoy the show. That would involve buying him nice presents though. It's not our buying. And it's still got nowhere really to run, so it's long on slightly oddly liveried freelance 009 kit without a home.
And that's sort of a side project.
He'd find a horse on every lane and didn't have one, so I put a horse out for him. If I'd known his name, I'd have called it after him. There we go, we've got a double header.
Oh my God, Pearson.
And that's where this is actually not manual, this is
This is a standard kit.
Yeah.
This is a standard kit.
Yeah.
The rest of it I've built out of it's scratch built in the sense